A new adjuster pulls up to a home after a hailstorm. The homeowner meets him in the driveway and says, "I think the roof took most of the damage." That is a normal thing to hear. Most homeowners think about the roof first. They think shingles, leaks, and missing tabs. So the new adjuster starts with the roof. He takes photos, looks at the shingles, checks a few vents, and starts packing up. But then, the homeowner asks about the siding. And there it is. Cracked siding, a dented downspout, a torn window screen. Nothing dramatic from the street, but it is damage. And it matters. The exterior is not just the outside wall. It is a system of materials. Siding, brick, stucco, gutters, and more that protect the structure. Think about hail. It doesn't only hit shingles. It hits gutters, screens, metal wraps, and garage doors. A rookie thinks the roof is the end. A pro knows it's just the start. A better adjuster walks the elevations. Front, right, rear, left. They look for damage on every side and photograph it with context. Your photos need context. Start wide, move closer, then take the close-up. Overview, medium, close-up. That habit saves your file from looking like a crime scene. Windows and screens are easy to miss. Broken seals, cracked glass, or torn mesh all matter. But you have to document exactly which window on which elevation. Vague notes create questions, and questions create delays and follow-up calls. That's the kind of administrative suffering we want to avoid. Garage doors are another big one. Document the full door first, then the affected panels, then the close-ups. Make it clear, not just bigger. A good inspection is organized. Walk in a pattern. Photograph each elevation, document the materials, and support the damage with notes. Patterns prevent mistakes. When your file gets reviewed, people can tell if you inspected the property or just took pictures of whatever looked interesting. Protect your reputation. Inspect the property. Document the materials. Tell the story. Your claim file has to stand on its own. Do not just learn the software. Learn the house. If this was helpful, follow and subscribe for more training. And let me know in the comments, what exterior component do you think new adjusters miss the most? Now get to work.